happy to present to you our new dry erase magnetic menu for your kitchen fridge. This is a complete set that comes in a flat package, which includes one large menu planner wrapped in a protective bag, one smaller bonus board for multifunctional usage like grocery and to-do lists, 8 fine tip markers with an eraser, and most important, all are magnetic and can be easily attached next to the menu planner. The installation is easy. You simply have to put it onto your fridge. The board features high-quality lamination layers, rounded corners, and a strong magnetic back. Let your children anticipate the weekly meals you have planned for them. Use the menu board as a dinner or lunch planner, and even as a breakfast planner for weekends. You have 8 multicolor markers, so you can use 8 different colors for different meals every day. The smaller board can be placed right next to your menu planner, so it can be perfect for your grocery lists and even for a small to-do list. When needed, simply wipe them off with a dry paper towel and start over again. Plan in advance and eat healthy. No more last-minute running to the grocery store because you forgot some ingredients. It will also help you bring back the anticipation your kids love. Be ready to go with this complete set. Check our entire store collection at amazon.com/hmmagnets.